How much time does your team spend manually updating chats, searching for customer details, or figuring out who to assign tickets to? With Periskope's Org Assistant, you can do all of that, just by asking. In this video, we'll show you what the Org Assistant can do and how to use it. Look for the AI icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Click it, and the Org Assistant opens up in a side panel, available on every page in Periskope. Unlike the AI agent, which talks to your customers, the Org Assistant works for your team. It understands your workspace, can access your chat data, and can take real actions, all from a single conversation. You can ask the Org Assistant to update labels across multiple chats, assign chats to a specific person, send private notes to multiple chats at once, or even activate the AI agent across several conversations, all without opening a single chat. Here's how that looks. We'll say, assign Javed's chat to me. And just like that, the chat has been assigned, instantly. The Org Assistant can also update multiple tickets at once, change their status, priority, or who they're assigned to. To see this in action, we'll say, mark all open tickets as high priority. Every open ticket has been updated instantly. No manual work needed. Instead of scrolling through chats to find what you need, just ask the Org Assistant. You can look up custom properties of any chat or search for messages mentioning a specific topic within a time frame. For instance, find all messages from Javed's chat where he mentioned pricing. The Org Assistant pulls up the results instantly, across your entire workspace. You can also ask the Org Assistant to review your entire knowledge base for incorrect or inconsistent information, so your AI is always giving customers the right answers. For example, review my knowledge base and flag any answers that seem outdated or incorrect. And the Org Assistant goes through it and highlights anything that needs your attention. And if your workspace has custom tools configured, the Org Assistant can run them directly from the conversation. No tab switching, no manually looking up IDs. So instead of going through chats one by one, you can simply say, send a follow-up message to all chats that have been idle for more than 2 days. And the Org Assistant handles it automatically. The Org Assistant is built to save your team time, whether that's managing chats, updating tickets, searching for information, or taking actions across your workspace. Everything your team does manually today, the Org Assistant can handle in seconds. Get started today. The link is in the description.